Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is your host Bharat, and today we're going to be checking out the Rager Airbeats 250 Bluetooth earphones. So let's check this out. The Rager Airbeats 250 costs just 1199 INR for India, but there are a lot of deals and I picked this up from TechieTake, and I recommend buying Rager products from there to get a genuine product and best deals. The packaging is decent and it comes in this thin cardboard box which has the product details at the sides and some information at the back here. Hoping that you get the Airbeats 250 earphones inside a soft zippered box, and once you open it you get the Airbeats 250 Bluetooth earphones. So then you get the extra pair of different size ear tips, a short micro USB charging cable, and an instruction manual is present as well. First, let's take a look at the soft box. This is made of black soft touch material. Inside you have two compartments. The main compartment holds the earphones, and the side pouch you can store the micro USB cable and the ear tips. The box is pretty sturdy and can hold pressure easily. Now let's take a look at the Airbeats 250. These are made of full metal and matte black finish with the logo at the back. It has these earphones to hook onto your ears. This gives you a very stable fit as the earphones also are slanted towards the inside. This gives a very stable fit for long hours also, and even with the most movement it doesn't pop out at all. But the button housing is a bit on larger, bulkier side, and it does pull the earphones to the sides a bit. The whole earphones weigh 17 grams in total thanks to the metal finish. The button housing is made of plastic and they have the logo at the back, and at the sides they have a flap opening that you get the micro USB charging port on which it charges the earphones to full in about 2 hours, and comes with the 110 mAh lithium ion battery and provides 5 to 6 hours of playing time depending on the volumes you use. Ideally at 80% volume you'll get the max backup, and has 180 hours of standby time. The buttons are tactile and the top and bottom buttons are volume cum track change buttons, and the center button acts as a power cum play pause button as well. On top you have the LEDs for status, and connecting is pretty simple. Hold the power button to switch on, and while the LEDs blinks on your phone, pair the phone with the Rager Airbeats 250, and that's pretty much it. They come with multi-device connection feature which is very nice to have, and just for you to listen, here is the Airbeats 250 experience. If this is your first time here on Tech Matrix, we do a lot of videos and unboxings, reviews, and giveaways on my channel. So hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified for all the new videos and giveaways. Now getting to the real deal, the drivers and the audio quality. The volume levels are pretty good and doesn't sound low at all. Even at 60 to 70% of volume, it would do well for most users. They come with very powerful audio drivers and components from which you will experience thumping bass with powerful highs and clear lows. I noticed was that the bass has been bumped up significantly. It is best for you bass heads out there. Not much for classical or any vocal music. The housing also has a microphone, and this part of the video has been recorded on the Rager Airbeats 250's Bluetooth earphones microphone. And just to give you a sound test, I'm doing my usual click test to emulate environmental noise and to see if the microphone picks up anything. And yes, it is audible, but the quality of the voice on the microphone is pretty good, and I hope you can listen to this and make up your mind based on this. The only drawback I see is that the housing is a bit bulky and it can put off some of you if you're not used to this type of listening. So guys, what do you think about the Rager Airbeats 250 Bluetooth earphones? Tell me in the comment sections below, and also hit that like button and subscribe for more such geeky videos. This is your host Bharat. Peace out.